Hi, I'm Cliff from Seminole with another English tip. We've been over how we use the verb wear when we're talking about what we do with clothes and what we do with things we put on our body. But how do I express that I'm gonna end up with clothes on or off? So when I have something that's on my body, I use these two words. I use put on and take off. Put on, I had no clothes, I put on my clothes. Now I'm wearing my clothes. At the end of the day, I will remove my clothes, so I will take my clothes off. We're going to use put on for clothes, for perfume, for makeup, and we're going to use take off just the same. We're going to take off clothes and take off makeup. A detail. If I'm talking about my glasses, I'm going to say take off and put on. But if you're talking about contact lenses, or if you're talking about dentures, you have to say put in and take out. Thanks. See you next time.